Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add sweetheart effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut and add the project that you want. I'm sorry. First, after you add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the effect at the bottom. This one, click on it. And then in here, you just click on a video effect. And at the menu, you can swipe until you can see love. This one, click on it. And then swipe down until you can see a sweetheart effect. This one, click on it. And then click check icon in here. You can adjust the effect, so you just click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the speed and for the opacity like this. And after this, you can click check icon in here. Now you can set the effect until the end of the video. And finish. So that's how to add a sweetheart effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.